Hello monster friend, how are you? In the previous pill, I talked about triple quotes and \n. Now I'm going to keep talking about strings, only about concatenation. Concatenate is to join two or more strings. I don't concatenate numbers, just text. Let's go to example 24. Little Joe will have a birthday and he wants to throw a party for 50 little friends, but he doesn't want to have to write the same message 50 times or copy and paste text. He wants to create something in Python that automates the work. What did he think? Of course, the best solution would work with loops and lists, but we're not quite there yet. I create a variable that receives the name of the friend. Then I concatenate with two texts already ready, which will always be repeated. Look, the second string is here. The only thing that changes is the value of the variable, and I will join these three strings, but one of them it's a variable, and as this variable carries text, a string, it's perfectly possible to concatenate the three snippets of text. Let's check. Another excellent solution from Little Joe. Hello, Billy. I'd like to invite you to my birthday party. And if I want to change the friend name, no problem. Here is the output with the text that we want to send to our friends. Well, that's it for now. I will see you on the next pill. Bye bye.